How to add pictures to TikTok videos in 2021 is what I'm going to show you today. This works on both Android and iOS, so keep watching. First, you want to open up your TikTok app and click the plus icon in the bottom center. The next step would be to locate the templates button just below the record one, the bottom right. Then you can see different templates. Underneath you see select photos. You can click that and select a certain amount of pictures that will be displayed in the template. You can then hit OK. It's processing the photos or the video, and as you can see, they are now integrated into this filter. What you can also do is a secret trick, is click the plus icon again, record your TikTok video, however long you want it to be. Now click the check mark in the bottom right, and once you're done with that, you want to click the stickers icon in the bottom center. Now under stickers, you want to click the picture that has a plus sign in the bottom right corner. There you go. You can now add a picture to your TikTok video. Want to click a picture, select, hit OK. Now you have already inserted and added this picture to your TikTok video. You can now increase its size. There you go. Click next, click post. Don't let the thumbnail confuse you. As you can see, you have now added a picture to your TikTok video. That's how to add pictures to TikTok videos. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.